Hi everyone.
Hello everybody.
Today I'm here with my BabaJoon and we wanted to check in with you guys, see how you guys are feeling, see how you guys are doing. And today is April 20th, 2020. It's a very special day. Today is my Magani's 67th birthday and we got to FaceTime. We FaceTimed with my aunties, my uncles, my uncle, and we all surprised her and FaceTimed her, added her to the FaceTime, and put the Persian birthday song on and dance, and it was really fun. And also, 8 years ago today, my Mama June was diagnosed with cancer, and I'm so grateful that she's here, that she's alive and healthy. And also, I just wanted to know how you guys are doing on the 31-day vegan challenge. I started this on April 1st. And my BabaJoon has also been doing the vegan challenge. So how have you been feeling? How has it been?
I've been doing wonderful. I couldn't believe it's going to be this easy.
Yeah.
And yes, I couldn't believe I'm going to get stuck to the vegan food. Especially, I've been over almost 2 months here with them, and been eating nothing but the vegan food that they make: cutlets, kebab, kuku. Red rice, we call it, sabzi polo, and all vegan food they make it. I couldn't believe it's going to be tasty like this.
I'm glad you like it.
Yes, I loved it, and I'm used to it. As I said, for 2 months or longer, I haven't eaten anything other than vegan.
Amazing.
Yeah, and if I do it, everybody else could do
yes.
it. I'm telling you. Anyway, I enjoyed it, I loved it, and I don't know when I'm going to be 100% vegan.
Hopefully soon.
Yeah, hopefully soon, but I've been trying and enjoying. Thanks to you guys.
Good, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
How have you guys been doing in this vegan challenge? I love hearing from you guys. I love getting messages and comments from you guys. So let me know the food that you've been making, how the vegan challenge has been going for you. I've been posting every week a vegan recipe. So let me know if you made it, how it's turned out, how you guys like it, and I'd love to hear from you. So today I've been doing some stretches with my BabaJoon every night before he goes to sleep, and every morning before he does his work. And yeah, and we walk. We take walks in the daytime. And I just wanted to do some of the stretching that we like to do, share it with you guys. So we've been doing some stretching, working on his breathing, working on his posture, and I just wanted to share with you guys and do some more stretching with you.
Okay.
Are you ready, BabaJoon?
All right, thank you, BabaJoon.
Okay. So we're going to start by sitting cross-legged, and maybe scoot forward just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. And we're going to breathe in, reach arms up over our head, and sit up nice and tall. And exhale, twist to the right.
Okay.
And so this hand is going to be on your left hand will be on your right knee,
Okay.
like that, and your right hand will be behind you,
Okay.
like this.
Yeah.
And you're going to twist, look over your shoulder, like that. No, the other shoulder, like this. So you're going to twist, and you're going to have your shoulders away from your ears, and stay here for 5 breaths. Breathe in through your nose, and breathe out through your mouth. Two more breaths. Now breathe in, reach your arms up over your head. And breathe out and twist to the left. Bring your right hand to your left knee, your left hand behind you, and look over your left shoulder, yeah, like that. But maybe bring your hand right here. I'm going to move these cushions. And try to keep your shoulder away from you and twist just as much as you can somewhere it feels comfortable. Take 5 slow, deep breaths here. Now breathe in, reach your arms up over your head. Now we're going to straighten our legs and flex your feet like this, And breathe out and reach as far as you can towards your feet, keeping your legs straight. So just go as far as you can that it feels comfortable. And if it feels good for you, try to go a little bit further every time you exhale. So we're breathing in through our nose, out through our mouth. And take slow, deep breaths here. So just go as far as you can, keeping your legs straight. So you can be here or here, wherever you can go. Take 2 more breaths here. Now we're going to bend our left leg, place our foot on the cushion, and reach towards your right foot. So just go as far as you can. Keep this leg straight. So straighten that leg, just go as far as you can. And bring this foot a little bit closer and place your foot on the mat. Or actually, you can. Is this comfortable for you? Putting your knee out?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can keep your knee out or up, whatever's more comfortable for you. And just go as far as you can. Keep your legs straight. And flex your foot. So point your toes up. Take 2 more breaths here. Now switch sides. We're going to straighten our left leg, bend our right knee, and now reach towards your left foot. Oh, excuse me. And we're going to reach towards our left foot as far as you can. Keep your leg straight. Yeah, like that. Good job. Take 3 more breaths here. Now, come back up. Sit comfortably. You can cross your legs if you want. And we're going to do some shoulder rolls. We slowly roll our shoulders up, back, and down. Just slowly roll it, probably about 5 times. Slowly rolling it back like this. You see, you roll your shoulders around like this in circles. You go slowly. Remember to stay connected to your breath. And the next time that your shoulders go up towards your ears, now you're going to go the other side. Good job. And now relax your shoulders. How was that, BabaJoon?
Oh, wonderful.
Good. I'm glad you liked it.
Thank you.
I hope you guys like these stretches. They're very simple stretches, but they're very beneficial. You can do it anywhere at any time, on a couch, on a yoga mat, on the floor, on your bed. We decided to do it on the furniture so it'll be more comfortable. Just do it wherever it's comfortable for you. Also, you can do it whenever you want. If you're watching TV during the commercial break, you can do these stretches. Just any time that you get time to slide these in, it's a great thing to do. And also, I forgot to tell you that today I was live with Maz Rabbani on his Instagram. And we were singing and dancing, talking, and I showed him and his followers some yoga poses. You can look at the video on Maz's Instagram story. It'll be up there for 24 hours, so I hope you see it and I hope you enjoy. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, it is @Tabay Atkins, and YouTube is Tabay Atkins Yoga. I have a website which is tabayatkins.com, where you can find my online yoga and vegan cooking series and subscribe to it. Also, every Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, my BabaJoon and I have been doing a free live yoga class on my Instagram Live. So during this COVID-19 pandemic, while people are at home, I'm able to share them the practice of yoga and our love and good energy. And so please join if it's at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every Friday and free of charge. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave me a comment and always remember, think good thoughts,
Think good thought,
speak kind words,
speak kind word,
feel love,
feel love,
be love,
and give love.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you, BabaJoon.
Thank you. And,